everyone, I'm Simeon Grace. I'm going to be showing you how I go about cutting and sewing my sleeve in a very easy way. So quickly, let's get our measurements ready. The sleeve length I'm working with is 10 and the round sleeve, first I'm going to take 15 and 14. 14 is going to be the hem of the sleeve. It's a short sleeve, so the hem of where the sleeve stops is 14 and 15 is the upper hem. If this is your first time, kindly like and subscribe to this channel. First, we're going to fold our fabric. I said I'm working with 15, so 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. Then you add extra 2 inches to give us 9.5. So we're going to fold 9.5 inches and the sleeve length is 10. So I'm making it 11 inches. Here is 11 inches. And I'm also going to measure down 4 inches from the top. Now here is my 9.5. So 14 is the hem of the sleeve, divided by 2 is 7 plus 1 gives 8 inches. Now from this angle, I'm going to create a slant shape. I'm going to measure like this and I'll get the midpoint. So measuring from that edge to this 4 inches gives 12 inches. The midpoint is 6. So create a slant shape. I'm going to curve from this edge to my midpoint, that's at the top, then take it below, just creating a slant shape. Now let's cut it to see what we have. From this edge to this other end of the 4 inches. So let's follow the cutting just like so. So I'm just going to place this on my fabric again to cut out the same thing for the second sleeve. And there we are. So now let's move to the sewing. So first I cut out a piece of fabric which is 3 inches long. And I'm going to place it on my pattern, on my fabric, sewing from the inside. That's the inside of the sleeve, the wrong side, not the right side. I placed it on the wrong side of the sleeve. And then I'm going to top stitch. Top stitching now, I'm going to top stitch on my main sleeve. I'll top stitch on my main sleeve, not on the 3 inches. I'll top stitch on the main sleeve just like this. After that has been done, I'm going to be turning it, placing it on the right side of the sleeve now. But before we do that, I cut out a strip of fabric which is 1 inch wide, and I'm going to fold it into 2 just like this. Fold it into 2, then turn it. So it's going to be underneath the fabric that I placed on my main sleeve, and I'm going to stitch. I'm going to fold, you fold the strip of fabric, that's the black, you fold into 2, and it will be underneath the main fabric, the extra fabric, the 3 inches, and then you stitch on it just like so, all the way down. Now after that has been done, the next thing to do is to bring out the measurement of the sleeve. So all you just need to do is fold into 2, and then you're going to start the sewing from the tip there. Then you take a measurement, which is 14 divided by 2 is 7. Here is my 7 inches, and I'll run it straight down, and that's it. So that's the end of our tutorial, and this is how I go about cutting and sewing my sleeve. Easy, right? Now I'm sure you can try yours. You can go ahead and make yours. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if this is your first time, and if you have any question, you can leave that